It's almost 11 p.m. and it's snowing, boys and girls. Snowing, snowing, snowing. Yes. Well, good afternoon. Good morning. It's almost 5 minutes to 11. And as you saw before, and I guess, hold on, you can see now, it's still snowing. Still snowing. I'm going to put another clip before this of snow, snow, snow. So look at that, people. It's still snowing. And I'm kind of surprised to see that it is snowing, so what can you do, people? It's winter. Listen, we got one more month, March. March is the first thing of spring. Hopefully we can make it through there till March and get there without a very big major snowstorm. That would be nice. So, people, have a good day, night, and don't forget, if you like what you see, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll put a link down there to my Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. And okay, don't forget also hit the subscribe button right here down below. All right, thanks a lot, people. Have a safe day. Ciao.